Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm having a $5 food adventure. This is where I take $5 and go to the store and find something I've never tried before. And I'm also looking for something that I can use in budget cooking. I haven't done one of these for a while, and I had so much fun when I did these before that I definitely wanted to bring these back because I do want to continue to discover new foods that fit into my budget. I like to shop in different stores every now and then just because it gives me inspiration. Like this salad, I have a delicious Greek salad dressing recipe, so I think I'm going to add this to my salads to make in the upcoming weeks. This is such a great place to come to get ideas for new meals. It's also a great place to peruse if you're on a special diet like low carb or vegan. You can find great ideas and then recreate them for a fraction of the cost. They have this meal with shirataki noodles, almonds, mushrooms, and sweet potatoes that I thought looked interesting, though I'm not sure about adding sweet potatoes with noodles. Haven't tried that yet. I've never seen these Marcona almonds before. They look so interesting, and it looks like they added some kind of seasoning in with it, but they're too expensive, so they're gonna stay here, but maybe I'll look for these when I'm somewhere else that they're less expensive. I checked out their oatmeal section and I noticed they had a toasted black sesame oatmeal, and I love sesame seeds, but I've never thought to add them into my oatmeal. And then I noticed that they had these containers that they were calling superfood oatmeal, which has flax seeds, quinoa flake, and puffed amaranth. I usually do put flax seeds in my oatmeal, but this is making me think about how I should make up some of these containers for quick breakfasts where you just pour in the water and then go. I remember once one of my viewers told me that she likes to buy the black lentils at Whole Foods, and I've never tried black lentils before, and it looks like it is a popular item because they're almost sold out. So I think I'll grab one of these bags and maybe try to make some kind of lentil soup with this. Okay, I'm back home now, and I wanted to show you how small these lentils are compared to the other lentils. Well, the red one is actually split, and then a whole green lentil, and then here's the black one. It's just a tiny speck. These are also called beluga or caviar lentils because obviously they look like caviar. I'll start by washing these well, and then I'm going to use this red Swiss chard in my soup. I've been eating a lot of this lately. I do really like the vibrant color, and it has such a nice mild flavor. I do have to immediately put this in water though, otherwise it wilts very quickly. It goes from looking beautiful and vibrant to looking wilted and dead very easily. It kind of looks like I'm pouring dirt into a pot of water. These little specks are so small, but like any bean or legume, they're gonna swell, like probably 3 times their size. So by the time this is finished cooking, this should look probably about normal. And everyone that I've talked to that has tried these black lentils has really loved them. And I actually didn't even know that they existed until about a year ago. Okay, so I've got this chopped up Swiss chard. I've got these leftover tomatoes that I'm going to use in a soup. And I've got 1 clove of garlic chopped into 4 pieces. And then I'm going to start by adding about 1/3 of these tomatoes. And then I'm going to see how it goes and see if I want to add in some more. I'll add my salt, and then I'm going to cook this for a good long while. I'm going to get the seasoning from the lentils themselves as well as that garlic. I'll add the stems of the Swiss chard now and then let this simmer for a while. When the lentils are close to being done, I'll add in the Swiss chard leaves and some diced carrots. I decided that this did need more tomatoes, and a white pan was probably not the best choice to cook black lentils in. But I do have to say, this is a beautiful looking soup. The carrots look so pretty in this with the black lentils and the green from the Swiss chard. These lentils cooked very quickly. I think I did this whole thing in about 20 minutes. Obviously they cook quickly because they're so small. I'm wondering if anyone has seen these black lentils at any other stores, because I've only seen it at Whole Foods, but I am going to start keeping my eye open for these because this soup was delicious and they tasted nothing like green lentils. They were so delicious. And I can't really explain the flavor. They're not peppery like green lentils, which I do love the peppery flavor, but it's just has a unique flavor all its own. I've already made this soup twice, and I'm probably going to be making it again tomorrow. I've eaten it with a little of my favorite hot sauce in there. I've also tried it with bread, dipping the bread into the rich broth. That was delicious. I've also tried it with a little nutritional yeast on top. That was good. So I think that there's a lot of different applications that you could do with this, but I love this soup, and I also loved taking it in my lunch the next day. Here's a better shot with different lighting, and you can see the lentils a little bit better. I also wanted to tell you that my son tried this, and he said it was like a 9.5. He actually said this was his favorite soup that I've ever made, which I was really surprised by because neither one of my sons are huge lentil lovers, so I thought that was very strange. But I loved the fact that I was able to introduce such a healthy soup to him, and he liked it that much. The last time I made this, I used 2 garlic cloves, and I thought that was the right amount of garlic. And I also used a smaller pan, so the garlic flavor was more concentrated. And I also added a little olive oil to the top. Even though the black lentils were $3.49, I still got a lot of meals out of that package. And it's a great high protein, nutritious meal. I have to say, I am in love with black lentils. I wish I would have known about these sooner. They have such a rich, delicious flavor that is unlike either red or green lentils. And I was reading that this black lentil is good in salads, so I'm gonna have to experiment a little bit with that. I'm assuming maybe in like a quinoa salad or a rice salad or maybe even a pasta salad would be good. So anyway, friends, I do hope you'll adventure out and give black lentils a try. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you Sunday, if not sooner, on my other channel.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So